Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the return of an American legend. That's right, the 2025 Chevy Monte Carlo SS is officially here, and it's making a huge statement in the world of modern muscle cars. After years of rumors and speculation, Chevrolet has brought back the Monte Carlo SS. And it's better than ever. This isn't just a name slapped on a car, it's a full-blown revival packed with power, style, and cutting-edge technology. Let's start with what's under the hood. The 2025 Monte Carlo SS is powered by a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine delivering an incredible 650 horsepower and 650 pounds-to-feet of torque. That's the same powerhouse you'd find in the Camaro ZL1. And it launches this beast from 0 to 60 in just about 3.6 seconds. You can choose between a smooth 10-speed automatic or a 6-speed manual transmission if you're a fan of that old-school, hands-on driving feel. Either way, the performance is absolutely thrilling. On the outside, the Monte Carlo SS mixes classic design elements with a bold new look. It's a two-door coupe with an aggressive stance, sculpted body lines, and a front grille that commands attention. LED lighting all around, a wide and low profile, and available racing stripes give it that retro muscle vibe while staying fresh and modern. Chevy really nailed the balance between nostalgia and innovation with this design. Inside, the cabin is just as exciting. The interior features premium materials like leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents. The SS-badged sport seats are built for comfort and control, while a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 13.4-inch infotainment touchscreen put everything you need right at your fingertips. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a premium Bose sound system, and a customizable head-up display make the driving experience even more immersive. In terms of safety and tech, the 2025 Monte Carlo SS doesn't hold back. It includes advanced driver assistance features like lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. It's not just a muscle car, it's a smart, everyday machine designed for performance and peace of mind. Chevrolet is also offering optional all-wheel drive for the first time in Monte Carlo history, making it more versatile than ever before. And with multiple trim levels and customization options, from wheels and spoilers to interior finishes and performance packages, there's a Monte Carlo SS for every kind of enthusiast. The 2025 Chevy Monte Carlo SS starts around $49,000, with higher trims going into the $60,000 range. For what you get in power, style, and modern features, that's an incredible value in today's market. Whether you're a long-time fan of the Monte Carlo or discovering it for the first time, this car is going to leave a lasting impression. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth reviews and updates on the hottest cars of the year. See you in the next video.